Do you have cracks on the interior and exterior of your home? Or does it slope, creating that feeling that you're falling? Or maybe you've even fallen in your home. You might be wondering, how much is this gonna cost? And will I be paying to fix this till the day I die? Everyone has this question when it comes to construction, but you deserve to have a nice looking and safe home. This video is gonna dive into the cost of a foundation push pier system, what is included in that price, and what an average push pier foundation repair project costs. Hi, my name is Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. In this video, you will learn how much push piers cost. To be clear, the pricing that is discussed in this video is for push pier systems that are installed in Southern California and Central Arizona. The price of a push pier system can vary depending on what region of the US you live in. Push piers have a price range of about $1,000 all the way up to $3,000 depending on where the foundation repair project is located. We also offer push pier prices of about $1,750 per pier, but it does include a depth clause after 21 feet of installed material. We charge $35 per foot of installed material after the first 21 feet that will be added to the project in the form of a change order after all the piers have been installed. The average push pier project is relatively the same in both Arizona and Southern California, coming in at an average of about $24,000. The projects are usually between 8 and 12 push piers and usually take 1 week to complete. Engineering and permitting, on the other hand, is a whole nother timeline and a whole different animal. The purchase of each push pier includes everything you need and everything we need. Here's a list of the items that come with each push pier. The push pier bracket itself, a starter pipe, and all the other sections of pipe that would be needed to achieve the appropriate depths. The other on-the-job items that are included are the excavation, the labor, the equipment rentals and usages, training, tools, travel, and lastly, there are all the overhead costs, which include workers' comp, liability insurance, vehicle maintenance, admin fees, and all the people we have in the office that make this a smooth operation. The price can change depending on the locations of the pier placements around the perimeter of the home and how many piers are actually needed. Also, how far the house is settled and the type of soil may affect the cost. So you might be wondering, how do I figure out how much this is going to cost me? First, you will want to find out how much linear feet of the home is affected. Then, multiply that by an average of about $400, and this will be your estimate. For example, say you have 30 linear feet of affected area, you would multiply that 30 by 400, which would give you roughly $12,000. Then you'll want to add engineering costs, which is usually about $4 grand, and now we're at a total of $16,000, but we still have to add the permit costs, which range anywhere from $750 all the way up to $3 grand. But they're usually about $1,000, so if we add that all together, we're at about $16,000 plus the permit, which puts us at $17,000. Now, this estimate's only an example. If you'd like to get your free quote, please click the link below or give us a call. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any more questions, please check out our blog, our other videos, or give us a call directly.